What are the possible values of x if x square minus 25 is equal to 0? Options are 5 or 5 and minus 5 or 25 and 5 or 25, 5 and minus 5 or 25, 5 minus 5 and 1. What is given? X square minus 25 is equal to 0. You have to find the values of x, possible values of x. This is algebra. Now let's solve this equation. X square minus 25. X square minus 25 is equal to 0 means x square is equal to 25. You have to bring this minus 25 to the other side of the equation. It will become plus 25. X square is equal to 25. Now x is equal to square root of 25. Square root is always plus or minus. X is equal to plus or minus square root of 25. Now that is 25 is 5 square. That means x could be plus 5 or x could be minus 5. Square root means that is always plus or minus. Square of positive number is also positive. Square of negative number is also positive. So either plus 5 or minus 5. So possible values of x are plus 5 or minus 5 because when x is equal to 5, if you take x is equal to 5, what is x square? X square is equal to 5 square. That means x square is equal to 25. So we will get the equation x square minus 25 is equal to 0. If you bring 25 to the other side, x square minus 25 is equal to 0. That's our equation, given equation. Also, if you take x as minus 5, x square is equal to minus 5 whole square. What is minus 5 whole square? Minus 5 whole square is nothing but minus 5 times minus 5. Multiplication of integers. Negative. When you multiply two negative numbers, you will get positive. So negative 5 times negative 5 is positive. Positive 25, plus 25. So x square is again plus 25. So you'll end up x square minus 25 is equal to 0. So possible values of x are plus 5 and minus 5. Option B is the correct option. How many circles of diameter 5 cm can be placed in a 20 cm by 11 cm rectangle if none of the circles overlap each other? What's given here? A rectangle 23 cm by 11 cm. 23 by 11 cm rectangle means length 23 cm and width 11 centimeters. How many circles of diameter 5 centimeters can be placed in this given rectangle? And also, none of the circles should overlap. You have to place like this. None of the circles should overlap. You have to place like this. It should not overlap like this. Here length is 23 centimeters. When you divide 23 by 5, what will you get? 4 remainder 3. 5 times 4 20 and remainder is 3. So we can place 4 circles along the rectangle of diameter 5 centimeter. This 3 centimeter is extra. We can't place one more circle because circle's diameter is 5 centimeter. Also, Since width is 11 centimeters, you divide 11 by 5, you will get 2 as quotient and remainder 1. So we can place two circles along its width. 1, 2. Here, like this. This is also 5 centimeter diameter. So total 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 4 times 2. So we can place 8. Total 8 circles. So correct option is option D. Expand 2x times half into x square minus 2 plus 2 times 3x cube plus 1. This is algebraic expansion. You have 5 options here, A, B, C, D, E. To solve this, I'm going to expand this first part first. Then I'm going to expand this second part. Then I'm going to add them, combine them, because there is addition sign here. Expansion of 2x times half into x square minus 2. Here you have to multiply 2x to the half into x square, also 2x to this 2. That is 2x times half x square. Multiply this 2x to half x square. Then you have subtraction sign. Again multiply this 2x to this 2. 2x times 2. Now, what is x times x? X square. X times x square. X is nothing but x to the power 1. X to the power 1, x to the power 2. If you multiply them, you will get x to the power 3. Then you have 2 times half is nothing but 1. 2 times half means half plus half. That is 1 whole. So this is 1x cube. But in algebra, we don't write 1. So just you can write it as x cube. So this part is x cube minus 2x times 2. We have minus here. 2x times 2. What is 2 times 2? 4. Then we have this x. 4x. So this part is x cube minus 4x. So first part is x cube minus 4x. Now let's do the second part. 2 times 3x cube plus 1. Let's simplify this same way. That means you have to multiply 2 and 3x cube. That is 2 times 3x cube. And you have addition sign here. Also you have to multiply 2 and 1. 2 times 3x cube plus 2 times 1. Now what is 2 times 3? 2 times 3 is 6. And we have only x cube here. Plus 2 times 1 is 2. So second part we got 6x cube plus 2. First part x cube minus 4x. Second part 6x cube plus 2. Now we have to add both of them, x cube minus 4x plus 6x cube plus 2. Now we have x cube plus 6x cube. X cube terms, we have here 1x cube and 6x cube. 1x cube plus 6x cube, that is 7x cube. First let's add x cube term, that is 1x cube plus 6x cube, which is 7x cube. Then we have x term here, minus 4x. This x term has negative sign here, minus 4x. Then here constant 2. 7x cube minus 4x plus 2. So correct option is here option A. Option A has 7x cube minus 4x plus 2. If Jacob increases his original paint supply by 20%, then uses 50% of the new amount, what is the percentage change from his original paint supply to his final paint supply? Options are 20% increase, 20% decrease, 40% increase, 40% decrease. What's given here? Jacob increases his original paint supply by 20%. Suppose, or let Jacob's original paint supply be 100%. This is the original paint supply. What's given here? Jacob increases his original paint supply by 20%. He increases 20% means the supply will become 120%. He increases his paint supply by 20%. So new paint supply is 120%. Also, what's given? He uses 50% of the new amount. It's given he uses 50% of the new amount. This is new amount. He uses only 50% of this. 50% of 120. What is 50% of 120? 60%. 50% means half of the given amount. So 50% of 120 means 60%. Suppose original paint supply is 100% and he increases the original paint supply by 20%. So new amount will be 120%. And he uses only 50% of the new amount means he uses only 60% of the amount. He uses only 60% of the paint supply. So, percentage change from his original paint supply to his final paint supply is, it's not increasing, it's decreasing. Since he used only 60%, the percentage is decreased by 40%. So option is option D. Percentage is decreased by 40%. See you in the next video. Bye bye.